Welcome. Today we are going to talk about this permanently limited PayPal account. As you can see, we are permanently limiting your account, and this very particular account has more than 80 days. What the issue with this PayPal account is that PayPal do not allow us to use bank account or card. The only available option to withdraw this fund is through sending letter of authorization. And I will be showing you how you have submitted it. Let's go to the new inbox. Here we are in the inbox. As you can see it, here is the letter of authorization. Please check the attached file here. Here is it. You can see it. This is the letter of authorization. I've attached it to them, and then here we are waiting for their reply. You can see the date, May 26, 2025. Thank you for reaching us. We understand that the limitation placed on your account must be frustrating and inconvenient. Please note that we genuinely empathize with your situation. I've escalated this matter for a transfer to ensure you receive the support you deserve. We are committed to assisting you and resolving this issue as quickly as possible. You can expect an answer within the next 2 to 3 days, as the transfer can take up to 14 days to be proceed. The patient understanding are greatly appreciated during this time. So we have sent the letter of authorization, but now we'll be waiting to hear from PayPal, and when PayPal transfer the fund, I will post it here for you to see. Here is it, 149. Have a nice day. And if you have any PayPal account you have issue with, or your PayPal account is permanently limited and it's over 180 days and you don't know the ways to withdraw the funds, reach out to us. We will help you withdraw the fund easily. Have a nice day. Bye for now.